The Stormers have delivered a massive boost for South African rugby by securing the long-term future of fly half Sasha Feinberg Mngomezulu, who has signed a new contract, keeping him in Cape Town until 2029. The 23-year-old's previous deal was set to expire in 2027, but following a breakout year that has elevated him into the elite ranks of world rugby, the Stormers moved decisively to ward off inevitable global interest and retain one of their most valuable assets. Feinberg Mngomezulu's rise has been nothing short of remarkable. Recently crowned the world's best player by Rugby Pass, the Springbok playmaker has produced a string of commanding performances in the green and gold, firmly establishing himself as Africa's first choice number 10 ahead of the 2027 Rugby World Cup in Australia. While the fly half is currently sidelined through injury and missed the Stormers United Rugby Championship clash against the Lions, he received a hero's reception at Cape Town Stadium, where he emerged at halftime following confirmation of the new deal. For Feinberg Mngomezulu, the decision to commit his prime years to the Stormers was deeply personal, and said Cape Town is home. I grew up supporting this team, and I know what it means to the people here. There's always noise and interest when things start going well, but what we have here, the squad, the coaches, the connection with our fans is special. The ambition is clear with Project 2029, and I want to be part of what we're building and where we're going. I'm excited for the future and hungry for what we can achieve together. Stormers director for rugby, John Dobson, hailed the agreement as a landmark moment for the franchise and a clear validation of their long-term vision, and said Sasha is a player teams around the world want. That's the reality of modern rugby, and we're incredibly proud that he's chosen to commit his prime years to the jersey. This is exactly what Project 2029 is about: identifying talent early, developing it properly, and building a squad where our best players want to stay, lead, and win together. Sasha's journey through our system has been outstanding, and he's still only scratching the surface. Keeping him in Cape Town is massive for our supporters and what we are building. The contract extension ensures one of the South Africa's brightest stars will continue to anchor the Stormers' ambitions for years to come and signals the franchise's intent to remain a powerhouse both domestically and on the international stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.